Hey guys, this is Reagan, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer. Just wanted to show off our new consignment that we just got in. It's a 1994 Toyota Hilux. It's a turbo diesel, it's the 3.0. It's got 160,000 miles on the odometer and it runs and drives great. We get in a lot of these special Toyotas in here, and this one's probably been one of my favorites so far. It's got a clean Idaho title. It's ready to go. It runs and drives great. Suspension feels good. It's had a little bit of work done. So it's all been done by Techno Auto Service, which is in Japan. It's had replaced multiple seals, replaced timing belt set, new head gasket with new head bolts, new fuel pump, new valve cover gasket, new throttle body gasket, new glow plugs, O-rings, intake and exhaust manifold gasket, an assortment of hoses, new engine mounts, new fuel filter, full oil service was done, and it's just beautiful. Typically you don't see them in this great a condition. Usually they've got quite a bit of rust, which this has very, very minimal. The only rust that I see on here is on that back bumper there, which I'll show. But right now we're just going to kind of go over all the cosmetic stuff, any little dings and dents that it might have. I would say 80% of the people that buy our inventory come from out of state, so videos like this that are super transparent help a ton when trying to sell a car, for sure. So we'll do a startup and go over all the little stuff. As you can see, it is super clean. The paint looks awesome. Hood looks great. You do see a little bit of dings on the bumper there, but the body just looks fantastic. I don't think this video does it too much justice, but I've had a little bit of winter weather, so you'll see a little bit of that rain and snow on there, but the paint looks awesome. Got a spare tire. That back window works. We'll go over that too. The little bit of rust is located right here, but I mean, it's glorious. I love these. This one's imported straight from Japan, but it does have an Idaho title, clean title. As you can see, used to have graphics on it. Those were removed. Overall, just beautiful. All the windows and all the seals all look great. We'll go over in between the door jambs and everything where rust is known to build up, but I mean, I never see them like this, so super exciting. All the lights work, so there are some aftermarket lights. But there are a lot of stock parts too, which I love. Backlights work. Yeah, this paint looks so good. Lots of tread on the tires. All the tires look great. I'm going to put the list of all the stuff that's been done to it. There is a lot more on this list. It's just kind of hard to have a camera in one hand and read off the other, but I will put that in the description below. And then if you have any questions, feel free to comment or you can give us a call. We are located in beautiful Boise, Idaho. And my number is 208-336-1234. Yeah, just beautiful. And then the other rust spots here are on these brackets right here holding the running board. So hanging on for dear life. But other than that though, this looks really good. Driving it was a blast. Right-hand drive is always different, but I mean, it's super easy to get used to after a couple of times. I've taken this out to go take pictures and things like that, and suspension felt good, felt pretty tight. This was a lot of fun to drive, and actually it was a lot more comfortable to drive than the second and third gen 4Runners that we get in. And it sounds really great too. There's no blow by. Transmission shifted like it should. Couple of holes in the seats. This does not have any smells, no pet smells, no smoke smells. Smells really clean. These seats are in pretty dang good shape compared to the other ones that we usually get in. Original mats there, which are really cool to see. It's got an aftermarket dash there. Heat works great. It's winter time, so I didn't really get a chance to figure out if the AC worked good. I mean, it felt cold, but it's got all the original stickers and everything. Really cool to see. Let's take a look at the hinges on this other side for the bumper here, or for the running guards. That looks good. Take a look at the back seat. Back seats all look great too. Original mats. Carpet looks great. All the plastics and the boards here, those all look good. They're in good shape. All the seals look great here. And we'll go over the roof too. A little dirty, but yeah, as you can see the decals right here, but far away it's like you can't even notice. Take a look at the roof. There is a crack on that dash there, wasn't on the window, but take a look at the rest of the dash in a second. Roof looks great. No hail, no dings, no rust. And headliner. Headliner looks great too, which you never see either. Yeah, that paint looks awesome. Speakers in the back, which is another cool feature that these have. Little sound system. A little bit of discoloration back here. We'll check the underside too of that mat. Cool. All right, we're gonna start it up in part 2. Stick around, and then we'll take a look at underneath that back part where we saw that discoloration. We'll check all the windows, and then we'll do the frame once again. Clean title, like I said. Anything else you guys want to see, let me know. Thank you.